William from Williams, Philippines, and it is 11:40 on April 21st, 2024. Yeah, usually I get these out at the beginning of the day. This is the one at the end of the day. Just barely going to get it out. At least I hope so. I had a fun day. I was going to do this when I got home because last night was kind of busy around here at the office. So wasn't going to get it done here. So I was going to get it done at the house. That didn't work out. I was all rested, wanting to do something around the house this morning, and, well, sometimes things just laugh at you and let you have something. They hauled off and had the valve fitting where the tube for my water pressure tank is not holding, and it just pops out. So I got to get a new valve. I came home to, water on my floor again. And it going ka-chunk, 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 ka-chunk as it pumped more out. So I had to spend this morning getting my floor mostly dried up. Yeah, fun stuff. It is what it is. Anyway, I ended up having a fairly unpleasant experience this morning getting water cleaned up. And like I said, I was wanting to have something to do. I was thinking about trying to go out and do this, that, or the other there at the house. And none of it involved wanting to have to take water up off the floor again. So this is like 4 times in, 3 of them right there together when it first happened. And now 1 later in. So, and that's even with me after having nipped back the hose so that it's fresh hose going into the fitting. So I'm going to have to order a new fitting. I don't know why it didn't want to take it this time, but it's had that fitting moved in and out of it several times, so yay. Such fun. So I guess I'll be spending some money there. Well, at least I got the money to do it. I'll call the company I got the thing from and have them ship it, so I'll be out of water there, except, I'll turn it on and off as I use it instead of trying to just leave it pressurized up and going. I'll just hit it as I use it and be able to use it while I'm waiting on the valve to get here. But yeah, I don't know about y'all, but this has been a repeat offense on this one, and I'm tired of it. I don't know about you, but doing things over and over again are not my idea of fun when it's labor. I don't like having to do the same job if I don't have to. Anyway, yeah, it's been an interesting day. And I don't even know where to begin on that. But hey, life's got to laugh at you on occasion. Let's see. We're at the peso to the dollar. $1 equals 57.41 right now. And that's on the XE app. And yeah. And I have about $100 worth of pesos. 56 something, almost 57, 56.6. Yeah, it's above 56.5. So I have 5,600 and something pesos. Hey, while it's up, I gotta take and make that little investment. For me, it's a good thing. For the Philippines, it's gonna be rough on you. The prices get up like that. Means inflation's hitting your dollar right now, or your peso right now. That, and well, it's all hitting. Sadly, it's, they're printing so many dollars that the value of the dollar's gone through the floor, but it's causing mess everywhere. It is what it is. Anyway, there's that, and I hope you don't have too much of a problem buying things. This is coming to you today on the computer, little Chromebook, directly on the Chromebook's little camera, because, well, the little adapter that goes on this so that I can use this, I turned the computer and this was stuck in it, and the adapter broke between this and the computer, the Chromebook. So I don't have my setup. Yeah. Some days sideways. The question is, did you slide sideways or did you get pushed back? Or did you just get knocked down and didn't even try to get back up? Well, this one was a sideways. Could have been worse. But I have another adapter. I'll have to find it. I'm probably going to try to order a few more of those because that's a good thing to have around. Yeah. So, look out, eBay. Here comes another order for something I've already ordered from you. I don't mind. This was straight up my fault. It was not the item's fault. I just turned too fast and didn't think about it and broke it. People tell me I need to slow down all the time. It is what it is. So let's see. That, and, well, I guess I need to get this out, so I'll catch you on my next one. This is William from Williams, Philippines, and I hope y'all have a good day. Later blessings and bye-bye. Yeah. Blessings. Williams, Philippines. Fish out. Have a good day.